Okay, part F. The line that passes through the origin and point ZO, we've done that before. So it's that line there. So that's pi on 6 and goes through root 3 and 1. So it goes through the point root 3 and 1, and that goes through the origin and its gradient, so that's pi on 6. So the equation of that line is y equals 1 on root 3x. And I've got a circle centered here at 1, and I'm looking for where is the other circle centered. So circle of radius that, and circle of radius that, that's where the other point's going to be. So if I draw a line across there, that's at right angles. I'd like to find this point. Since I know the equation of this line is 1 on root 3x, the equation of this line will be negative root 3x plus 1. If the gradient of this is 1 on root 3, then the gradient of its perpendicular will be negative root 3 on 1. And I know the y-intercept is 1. So if I could find this intersection point, the intersection point between the lines are y equals negative root 3x plus 1 and y equals 1 on root 3x. Solve for xy, and on my calculator, that gives me that. That point is at 0, 1. And I know that the midpoint is at root 3 on 4 and 1/4. So to find the corresponding point over here, if this is moved root 3 on 4, then I'm going to move another root 3 on 4, so that's root 3 on 2. If this is moved down 3/4 to go from 1 down to 1/4, if I move another 3/4 down, I'm down at negative 1/2. So this point here represents root 3 on 2 minus 1/2 I. And if my second circle is Z minus Z3 to minus 1/2 I, so that when we do Z minus Z3, it ends up being Z minus 3 on 2, 3 on 2, which makes sense. I go to the right, and then I would plus 1/2 I, therefore I would go down. So that's my value.